find bargains galore at Barbecues Galore. How much would you expect to pay for a stainless steel hooded barbecue like this? $800?
This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is emergency. An emergency public health is in progress. A highly contagious respiratory illness known as Covid-19 has been detected in multiple locations across Australia. Cases have been confirmed in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, Canberra, and Hobart. The Department of Health has identified evidence of community transmission. Covid-19 spreads primarily through close contact with infected individuals and through respiratory droplets produced by coughing or sneezing. Symptoms include fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, fatigue, and muscle aches. All citizens are advised to remain at home if you are unwell, avoid large gatherings at crowded public places, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, cover coughs and sneezes with a tissue or your elbow, seek medical advice if you develop symptoms, and do not attend work, school, or public events if you are sick. Hospitals and emergency services remain operational. Please do not call emergency services unless you require urgent medical assistance. Emergency measures have been implemented in Melbourne and Sydney for a lockdown following a significant increase in confirmed Covid-19 cases. Residents in these areas are directed to remain at home except for essential reasons, including obtaining food, medical care, or performing critical work duties. Police and emergency authorities are enforcing these restrictions to help slow the spread of the disease. Stay calm, follow this health advice, and together we can help protect our communities. Further updates will be issued as the events unfold. Information will be available on television, radio, and social media. Announcements through government accounts, announcements through official government accounts, and be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay calm, stay vigilant, and stay safe.